Guys, I am doing an amazing tour here again. Like, this one's cool, actually. I really like your setup because they got a box truck. And we're gonna get into all of that with them. Harry and Alyssa?
Yep.
Yes. And we're gonna get it all going right now. I got a lot of information to cover with them and a phenomenal build in such a small space. We're gonna get all that information right now in this video. Here we go. Yeah, we're just gonna, we don't script anything. We just go.
All right.
Harry, what do you got? I'm always rolling.
Here we go. We got a 2012 Chevy Express 3500 box truck. It's a 10-foot long box. We threw some all-terrain tires on it, and we installed these 3 windows here. And yeah, it was completely empty when we bought it, and I'll show you inside, I guess.
All right, it's a little noisy and windy out here, so we're gonna step inside so we can kind of get rid of that. But everybody that's gonna complain, I have a microphone with a dead cat on there, so the wind is going to just happen, everybody. You just talked about the Chevy Express box truck, yada yada, right?
Yes.
Okay, what size is this box? Because it looks small on the outside.
Yes. It's a 10-foot box. It's about 6 feet inside.
Okay.
And it's about 6.5 feet wide.
It looks a heck of a lot smaller on the outside than it does the inside. Because now I'm in. This is the first time I've stepped in your rig. It's freaking big in here.
Yeah, it's crazy. It is. It's actually, I feel that it's actually bigger than like a ProMaster or a Sprinter on the inside. Not necessarily longer than some of the longer wheelbases, but wider and pretty much the same height.
Harry, how tall are you? And Alyssa, how tall are you?
Yeah, I'm 5'7", so
okay.
I'm 5'2", so.
Beautiful. And Harry, you and I are about the same height. I'm a little bit wider than you. You guys are in like good shape and stuff. You guys fit in here comfortably. It's 2 of you.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, I mean, this is, I guess just starting it off, this is our main kind of seating area, main chill area. These benches are 4 feet long.
Okay.
So a little bit less than half of the length of the box. We've sat 8 people in here comfortably. We've got the table here on a Lagoon swivel mount. Up top here, the reason why the roof is a little shorter is because we have a Happy Jack bed lift. May have seen before. The bed is stored in the ceiling and just on a little switch here.
Yeah, let's not crush your girlfriend or wife. I actually don't know your relationship.
We're engaged.
You are. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Yeah, very awesome.
Yeah, I won't do it all the way down.
Yeah, we're
just a little.
Let's put it this way: you trust him this much, he's not going to crush you right now.
I do.
And you trust the Happy Jack itself.
All the comments are freaking out right now.
Everyone on TikTok thinks that it's just gonna fall and crush me.
Can you do me a favor, Alyssa?
Yep.
Is there a way to shut those back doors to maybe like
Absolutely.
diffuse the light?
Yeah, that would be nice.
Look at this. Love it. And then do we have lighting in here?
We do. Are we getting a flicker?
No, we're good.
Okay.
I mean, if there is, everybody, it's because they're called LEDs, and I don't have a $50,000 camera.
6 lights, LED light circuits in the van. So we have the ceiling lights, we have the indirect floor lighting.
Beautiful.
We have lights for this countertop, lights for the kitchen countertop, and lights above the bed. It's kind of bright outside right now, so you can't really see those ones, but yeah.
And did you guys do this all yourself? Did you have it converted?
We did it ourselves from scratch. So this is our second box truck build, actually.
What made you go box over van?
It's a great question. We think that they're easier to build just due to the 90-degree right angles. And also to us, we think that box trucks are more stealthy. They look like a work vehicle. I feel like these days, every cop knows what a Sprinter looks like and know that there's someone camping in there. So we feel that it's a little bit more stealthy than your typical van.
And we still fit in parking spots. Everyone's like, oh, I don't want to do a box because I can't fit in a parking spot. We just drove from Maine to California, and we went in every single parking lot, no problem.
Yeah.
So you brought up Maine. That's, Maine is part of the United States, everybody. It's actually a state.
If you didn't know.
If you did not know, it's in New England, which is my home area. You're actually wearing a Winthrop sweatshirt, which is part of Massachusetts. What's up with Maine? What's going on?
Well,
can you say? Do you want to say?
Yeah, we want to say. So we're from San Diego originally, but it's our dream to have a farm someday. We want to have a bunch of tiny homes, a wedding venue, some cash crops, some animals, the whole 9 yards. And, doing it in California is,
not feasible. Let's just call it what it is.
I'm all about opening your mindset and, making it happen no matter what. But with the wildfires and with all the regulations and everything, we fell in love with Maine a couple years ago.
Right.
And we have some family out on the East Coast, so we've committed to building a farm out in Maine. So, but we came back. We're snowbirding a little bit right now. It's March.
I am from the East Coast, and you guys have actually even maybe considered me going back. Yeah, wouldn't my family love to see that? What is the size of your bed?
So the bed, you might notice it's a little smaller than what you'd expect. It's right in between a full and a twin. It's about it's about 45 inches wide.
Okay, I believe like a twin is like 36.
Like 38.
Yeah.
It's like in between a twin and a full. We fit in it no problem. And honestly, I was thinking about it, and just for the space of the rig, when we were thinking about it, it just makes the most sense. And actually, this rig would be perfect for like one person and a dog.
Yeah. I love you threw it one person and a dog.
And a dog. I mean,
There's room for a dog.
definitely. And
Also, speaking of dogs, if you do have a dog or a pet, one thing that's really awesome is the floor is linoleum.
Yeah.
So it's super easy to clean, dog hair, dirt, and also hides a lot of things too. It's hypoallergenic, so we prefer this type of flooring just for many reasons.
I love it. It's a little bit different than a vinyl, what everybody does, right?
Yeah.
Right.
Linoleum is just as good. But this didn't come in the box. You guys put this down.
Yep.
Right.
Put it down. Yep.
my grandfather has a flooring company, and he gave me a roll of this stuff. It's called Battleship linoleum. So they actually put it on like naval ships and hospitals and stuff.
Right. I mean, it looks durable. As all heck, yeah. Is this stock?
This came with the van, indeed. We rerouted the switch,
Get out.
so we just kept it.
You just have a dome light.
There's also floodlights on the rear top of the van, and there's another switch for that. So at nighttime, you can light up the whole area.
I mean, I love box trucks. Kind of maybe a new way of the future in van life. Why not, right?
Yeah.
I think step vans are great too. Like we should
like
start
step
converting these as well. I actually noticed this just now. This is weird. This is slightly higher than this.
Yes.
Okay, what's your reasoning?
Definitely. Okay, so it was kind of like a happy accident type of situation.
Okay.
It definitely wasn't initially intentional. So with the wheel wells and with our heater, we have a 12-volt diesel heater similar to a Webasto. It's called an Autoterm Planar.
Yeah, I have the planar.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Great heater. And,
Fantastic.
It vents out the toe kick down here. And just with everything going on under there, we installed this cabinet first. And we just had to raise this up a little bit just to get it all to fit. And we were talking about it, and you're like, why not? You got your normal countertop here, and then you got a little higher one here,
It's like an inch. It's not really that bad.
It's like an inch, and
I can get down so everybody can see, like,
maybe
it's
two.
very slightly, yeah.
But
It's like
it's kinda
not
cool.
It's kind of interesting.
it's like a split level effect.
Planar, is it a 2 kilowatt or 4 kilowatt? Do you know?
Ooh, it's the 2D.
Yeah, that's the same one I have.
Okay, cool.
For this space, perfect.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Oh, we can't
We
even
love
keep
it.
it on all night. We'll burn up.
We'll burn up,
So,
right?
Yeah.
And then you have is this a diesel?
It's a 6.0 gas.
So do you have a
truck.
diesel tank somewhere in here?
No, so the diesel tank, so this is kind of our yoga mat storage area, as well as our diesel. This is our diesel tank for our heater.
Did you use diesel or kerosene?
I use diesel, but I had a guy in Maine tell me I could use dyed kerosene, and I had no idea, and I didn't believe him. And
That's what I use.
the
I
red.
use kerosene.
Yeah.
I don't use the dyed
dye.
one. I use kerosene.
You can use kerosene in a diesel heater, guys.
In these you can. I don't know about the other one.
In the back here, yeah. So we got to mention the cushions.
Yeah.
We
Okay.
can't go without
Yeah,
mentioning.
mention them.
Why don't you
Is it
tell-
a DIY, Alyssa? Is that what's up?
So yeah, we did these ourselves. It took 2 days.
It took 2 days.
Did the piping and everything. It's actually sunbrella fabric because we learned from our last vehicle we spilled drinks and
It's
we
a
wanted
what fabric?
sunbrella, so it's waterproof. Our main goal with the cushions this time is like we want a waterproof fabric. So sunbrella actually comes with a 10-year warranty if anything happens to them.
10-year outdoor warranty.
Wow.
Yes, thank you.
It's very commonly used on boats.
Yeah.
Okay.
it's very
Yeah. So it's
sturdy
like marine
fabric.
grade,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
Marine grade.
Yeah,
And,
so we love it.
yeah, great cushions. You can literally pour a coffee on it and it'll wick right off.
Yep.
And then under the benches here, we have our water system here. It's nothing special.
40-gallon water tank.
40-gallon water tank with a CFlow water pump.
Nice.
And we have our hose and like our little vacuum and brooms under
Did you say
there.
40 gallon?
Yeah.
Is that right?
39 gallon.
39 gallon. Excuse me.
Yeah.
That thing is like smaller. Like it looks like
It
that's
does.
great. That's awesome.
I was surprised.
That is
Yeah.
so nice, guys. I love it.
I know.
Thank you.
So that's our water area / like fire extinguisher, vacuum storage, and then
You fit a lot into this 10-foot space.
Thank you. And then on this side, we have our electrically correct yet spaghetti-looking electrical system.
How many amp hours we got?
So we have 200 amp hours of lithium iron phosphate Renogy batteries.
Nice.
We have a 3,000 watt Renogy inverter charger with shore power. We have a 40 amp DC to DC alternator battery charger, solar charge controller, and we have Steven
Steven
Stove.
Stove is video bombing us. Oh, that is amazing.
Stove
everybody.
Solutions, ladies and gentlemen.
Apparently you guys are friends.
We are. Stove Solutions, legend, amazing van builder.
We're going to switch sides because I want to talk to you guys more.
Sweet.
All right, so you actually do have a Max Air.
Yep.
You do.
Or a Fantastic, whatever it is.
Yep. Max Air.
Cool, and it's offset from the center.
Right.
Okay.
So our solar panels are taking up like this side of the roof. We have 400 watts of solar. I didn't mention that a second ago. And then this is the Max Air vent fan, and this was pretty much with the ribs that came in the ceiling.
Mm-hmm.
This is pretty much the only spot I could find to put the vent fan, and it works out, you know.
Somehow you also fit a freaking shower bathroom in here.
We do.
Full shower.
We have a 2 foot by 2 foot.
I'm gonna get some B-roll of that. Don't worry.
Okay. 2 foot by 2 foot shower. We have a Nautilus shower door. Sliding door.
All right, so I don't try to call people out, but I always like to ask, how often do you use it?
Well, we finished this build like 3 weeks ago, so we've used it once.
I know this is your second, right?
This is our second.
Okay, so did you have a shower in the first?
Yes.
We did.
How often did you use that one?
Actually, a lot.
Quite a bit.
Did you? Yeah.
Yeah,
Cool.
we did.
You
Yep.
still do the military style showers on off?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yep.
But
Quick. Yeah, I mean,
We have a water heater too for the shower, so the hot water
Awesome.
lasts like, I don't know, take like a 2-minute shower.
nice.
Yeah.
How big is your water heater?
a 4-gallon electric hot water heater.
Nice.
120 volt.
So it takes like what, 15 minutes to warm up?
Yeah.
Call it a day.
About that.
Got
Turn it off.
Just so everybody, obviously Harry and Alyssa know what they're doing, but just make sure you wire that correctly, everybody, because we don't want people burning. Really, really nicely done. Is that just like a vinyl?
Thank you. Yeah, this is like it's called Duma Wall for anyone.
yeah.
Who hasn't heard of it. You can get it at Lowe's or actually just online, and it's like waterproof stick tile or click into place.
Oh
tiles.
yeah, I've heard it. And then do you grout it at all?
We do.
Grout it and then silicone the corners.
Beautiful.
And then this up here, we have a huge overcab section, which is a really nice advantage to the box truck.
Storage.
Tons of storage. I have my golf clubs up here. I have my golf clubs. I'm a golfer. Slack lines, camping gear, and we still have a bunch of space.
Dude, we gotta go golfing. I love to golf.
I love golf.
I love golfing.
Let's go.
Let's go golfing.
That just happened.
Yeah, it did. It did. That just happened, he said. Yes, it did. I call you and all your friends the One Wheel Gang. So you have a one wheel.
We have 2 one wheels.
Oh, jeez, I didn't see the second one. Okay. It's like, for all of you, you guys love these things because they're like essential for van life.
Absolutely.
They're like it's like when somebody has like a bike on the back of their van. We just have the one wheels.
Okay, and they're easy to charge up.
Charge
boom,
it
boom,
in the
boom.
van right off the solar.
I'm trying to get sponsored by them. I think we should set that up.
Let's make it happen.
Let's make
Shout
it happen.
out One
All-
Wheel.
Yeah, all of the One Wheel
Wheel.
Gang should be getting free One Wheels.
That's
I
what I'm
agree.
saying. We shot a video for them last summer. Check it out on the One Wheel YouTube channel.
This is Harry that does a lot of filmmaking.
Yes.
I forgot all about this. And Alyssa, you do as well.
I do filmmaking and photography. Yeah.
Filmmaking, photography. You guys are really good at it. Okay,
Hey,
I'm gonna.
I
don't care. We're gonna talk about it. You just told me how many weddings are you shooting?
Well, we have like 30 weddings booked in the next 12 months.
That is ridiculous. You guys are photographer, videographer couple.
Yep.
Mhm.
We just team up.
We're a team.
He usually
Okay.
does video. I usually do photo. Happy to.
All right. So how many
entertain.
cameras do you have between the two of you?
3, but we use 2. Like.
Okay.
We have 2 main ones, and then we have like 5 drones and like a Super 8 film
What?
camera.
Really?
Yeah, it's all
Okay.
in here.
I use a Sony A7 III.
Oh, I'm so jealous.
And I have a Sony A7S3 for
Ooh,
video.
okay. And then when you do photography for weddings, do you use 2 and have 2 different lenses? Is that what you do?
I actually prefer the 35.
Okay.
I don't like to change lenses during a wedding, just in case something gets on
Okay.
the sensor.
Okay.
Just be safe. I like to change cameras though if I want to. So.
No, look at you
Yeah,
guys.
sometimes we use both cameras, or we just switch cameras.
When you shoot the wedding, we do the videography of the wedding. Do you do the with the goggles? Do you
No,
do the fly the drones?
I'm pretty recent to FPV,
Okay.
actually, but and we actually came from more shooting brands and travel and sort of that type of stuff, like hotels and Airbnbs and products and stuff. And we more got into weddings recently, actually.
Last year. So this is pretty, our second year doing weddings.
So yeah.
Okay, so can I hire you guys to do some cool stuff? Let's do that.
Absolutely.
Let's get you guys going. Yeah.
Let's go.
Well, in that case, how do we find you?
HarryandLyss.com. So HarryandLyss.com. I'm Harry. This is Liz. And yeah, our Instagrams.
You're Harry Hodds on Instagram. I'm Alyssa Nicole. I'm sure Jarrod will link it down
I'll
below.
link it. I'll put it somewhere in here.
Yeah.
In the bio.
Yeah, Harry and I've been following you for a while, and you've been following me for a while.
Same.
Yeah, we messaged a lot.
We met through Shaden.
We did. I want to kind of talk to you guys about going through the cab.
Yep.
You guys made that accessible.
Yeah, so this is our main entrance into the van. We're small people, so it's easy for us going through the pocket door. We like it.
When the one wheels aren't here, we normally keep them behind the front seats. This is actually a pretty wide space to walk through.
Yeah.
So daily life, we go in and out usually through the front doors like a normal car, and then we just sneak back here if we need to do stuff.
Yeah, a little stealthy. I like it.
Yeah, and the pocket door actually came with the van. Kind of painted it and stuff.
Kind of built around it.
Yeah.
Alyssa, you're about to just show me something.
Yeah, so this is our... Go ahead, love, if you want us to switch.
She goes, go ahead, love.
This is our closet where we just have our, clothes stuffed in here. So main closet spaces are here.
Hey, Harry, how much space you got in that closet?
Oh, like 10%.
It's not bad.
I have more clothes. I love this space.
Oh, that's
Where I
really
keep
cute.
all my stuff.
That's really... Do you guys do all your own editing, too?
We do.
So you guys do it in here, on the road, or wherever you might be?
Yep.
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
Mobile editing studio.
Mobile studio, mobile everything.
Yeah.
Where do you guys chill when you guys are in here?
Back here.
Right back where I'm at?
This is the chill zone.
This is the chill zone?
Yep.
Did I ask about cooking? Because I didn't see any cooking apparatus.
Cooking.
Right.
Yep. So we actually have an induction stove. On our last build, we, had the induction stove in the countertop, but for this one, we really wanted to enjoy the counter space and be able to cook here, plug it in, or even cook on this side, plug it in if we wanted to have, more of like a prep space. So we did the induction stove that you can move back and forth. And then I don't know if we talked about our refrigerator yet.
No, let's do.
But this is a 12-volt Dometic fridge, and we love it. I like to be able to open the fridge like this instead of having the ones that
Yeah, the chest style.
Yeah, I like the feeling of being in a house. So we chose this refrigerator for that reason. And when you're done with the stove, you can just put it back.
Plop it right back in
Plop
there.
it right back. Yep.
We actually prefer the portable.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm going to side with you on that one. I like the portable myself.
It seems less luxury, but to have the choice of where you want it and then to be able to put it away.
Yep.
It's like, I like the countertop space personally.
Yeah.
And to not have it inset, I'm with you guys on that one. Live your own van life, whatever suits yourself, right?
Yeah. Well, and if like a glass falls out of the upper cabinet or something and lands on it and it cracks, you have to take it out of the countertop to replace it.
Yeah.
So
Do you guys want to show what's in there? Was it just more
it's kind of a
storage?
mess,
This is all of our
but this
camera
is,
gear.
all of our
Oh my
camera
goodness.
stuff.
So this is like my drone bag, and this is like our camera bag.
Is it safe to say that you guys may have more invested in your camera equipment than the van itself?
Probably we have as much invested in camera gear as the materials for this.
Okay,
Yeah,
fair.
that's a
Yeah,
good
that's
point.
actually probably a good point. Yes. Speaking like a true filmmaker, guys, and a photographer. You guys didn't mention this, but I'm going to mention it. I know this rig is for sale.
It is.
Yes, it is.
Okay, so if you guys are interested in this rig, please contact Harry and Alyssa.
It's a brand new build. We built this with the intention of selling it. Wanted to make it perfect for the next owners, and we're really happy with the way it turned out. Like I said, we drove it from Maine to California last week. Incredibly enjoyable experience, and the truck itself runs great.
If you guys need video work, contact them. Want to just say hi? I don't know.
Yeah, hit
What
us
else?
up.
Yeah.
We'd love
Let's
to.
hang out, she says. Okay, let's just hang out. I'm going to see you guys definitely on the road more and more. And when I'm back in Maine, I need to hit you guys up. Well, thank you so much for being here. Any words of wisdom before we leave?
Enjoy life. Love
Okay.
life. It's too
Okay.
short not to.
Follow your highest excitement.
Yeah.
Follow your highest excitement. That's a weird. I've never heard that one before.
Hey, I quit my job as a life insurance salesman and started skydiving, and that changed my life forever. Thanks.
All right, guys.
Jared.
See you guys later.
I could